Yes, welcome to the class 11 students. Today is your mathematics class. Now we have already discussed about the properties of addition of a complex number. Today we will discuss about the properties of multiplication of a complex number. Okay, the same properties are there as in the case of addition. First is the closure property. Okay, here is also closure property. When you are going to take the two complex number, the product of the two complex number is also a complex number. So the closure property hold. You have already checked that the product of two complex number is also in the form of a complex number. So the closure property holds there. In the case of multiplication, come to the second property, that is commutative property. What is the commutative property? When you are just multiplying z1 with the z2 must be equal to the z2 into z1. Okay, you can take any two example of the complex number, multiply them. If in first case you will put the value of z1 firstly and then put the value of z2, and then in the second case put the value of z2 firstly and then z1. I am not just going to prove it. You have to take any two example and try yourself, and you will see that the commutative property also hold in the case of multiplication of a complex number. Third is the associative property. In associative property, you can check it by taking any three complex number, that is z1, z2 and z3. Firstly multiply z1, z2, the result you will get, then multiply with z3. In the second right hand side you will firstly multiply z2 with z3 and then multiply with z1. Okay, now here you will observe that the associative property is also hold in the case of the multiplication of a complex number. The fourth property, that is the multiplicative identity. What is the multiplicative identity? As you know that by which number I multiply a complex number to get the same complex number. As you can take any example, 2 को आप किससे multiply करें, you will get the same 2. Okay, that is one. In the case algebraic term, one is the multiplicative identity, but in the case of complex number, there is also one complex number is there, that is when going to multiply a complex number, you will get the same complex number. But this is not a complex number. You will write it as a complex number. You will write as 1 plus 0 i. This is your multiplicative identity. Okay. Now come to the fifth part, that is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse, how you will get it? By which number you multiply a complex number, by what number you multiply a complex number, so that you get a multiplicative identity which is 1, or we consider the 1 plus 0 iota. Okay, that is, you can again take the example 2 को आप किससे multiply करें कि आपको 1 मिल जाए, that is 1 by 2. Here you can get the 1 by z. Okay, so you can write 1 by z is equal to z inverse, or 1 by z is the multiplicative inverse of z. Okay, now come to the next property, that is the multiplicative is distributive over the addition. Z1 with multiplication with the addition over the addition, there is a z2 plus z3. It is just a simple distributive properties here. Multiply firstly z1 with z2. There is a plus symbol in middle, and the multiply z1 with z3. That is a distributive property that you are simply use it. Okay. So there are some identities also hold. In the case of the addition, z1 plus z2 whole square is equal to z1 square plus z2 square plus 2 z1 z2. That also hold in the case of complex number. आपने ये already read की हुई है, but at that time z1 and z2 are the not complex number. But now this identity also hold in the case of two complex number. Okay. In the same way, there is a difference, then minus is also there, and z1 plus z2 into Z1 minus Z2, that is A plus B into A minus B. The same property also hold in the case of Z1 square minus Z2 square. Or cube is also there. Same identity will be applied in the case of cube. Z1 cube plus Z2 cube plus 3Z1 Z2 into Z1 plus Z2. Okay. In the case of negative also, same identity will be applied. Z1 cube minus Z2 cube minus 3Z1 Z2 into Z1 minus Z2. Here the your basic of 5.2 is almost completed here. You have to try few questions related to all these things at your home. Thank you.